Can you guys guess what's in here? And guys, I almost give up. The glue is gluing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ekato Blessing and you are welcome to the channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking with me. So guys, today I've got something interesting, something exciting to share with you guys. So guess what it is? I need you to guess. I need you guys to guess what's popping, what's going on. So guys, I just received my package from AliExpress and we are going to be doing some unboxing, babies. We are going to be doing some unboxing. Yay! So we are going to be doing unboxing of these two packages I got from AliExpress. So before we go into the unboxing, babies, let me just tell you guys what happened. I ordered this package from AliExpress, both of them on AliExpress for the first time, babies, and I made a lot of mistakes, like lots and lots of mistakes. Ordering it was not a problem, but after ordering it was a mess. And guys, it's past the delivery time because they will give you an estimated delivery time, and guys, it's past that time and I was so scared because during the whole process I did this I clicked on a return and refund, and guys, that's past the 15 days and I did not receive my package. I could not track, I could not do anything about this package, and guys, I almost gave up. So I had to chat up their agent and they were able to tell me to reach out to the delivery agency they used. So guys, that was when I sent them an email, and then just 2 days ago I got an email that both one of the package was available but the other wasn't, and they have to retrieve the other one. So guys, I had to be patient, and today I went to pick the both of them and I am so excited to unbox this too. I don't know what's inside. I know what's inside the box. I don't know what it looks like because this is literally my first time ordering from AliExpress and I was so scared due to all the mistakes I made. So guys, let's get right into this unboxing because me, I cannot wait. So if you cannot wait, if you are curious as I am, please like this video and subscribe down below if you haven't for the first time. So guys, let's get right into this unboxing. Let's get right into this unboxing. I'm so excited, guys. I don't know why, but I am happy that I got the package. I am happy my money did not waste. So let's get right into it, babies. Yay! So guys, we are going to be unboxing this first package, and this is what it looks like. This is it came with my name. They actually use a speed half express, and it came with my name and location, and then every other thing that is here I don't understand, so that one is not my business right now. So we are going to be unboxing, and this is what it looks like. And I feel this package has been with them for a long while, but because I could not track it, that's why. So guys, my god, the glue is very strong. Okay, the glue is gluing. It is gluing. My god, it's very strong. Okay guys, a moment of truth. I'm so excited, I'm so excited, babies. Yay! This is what it came. There's nothing inside the game. Okay, this is what it looks like. Can you guys guess what's in here? Can you guys guess what is in here? Wow, I love the packaging. It's okay, it's nice. So let's get right into it because I know you guys are curious on what's inside, what this blessing order. Okay, a moment of truth. Okay, wow, I am loving what I'm saying. I am loving what I am saying, babies. Okay, this one I ordered a set of brushes. I can't remember how many but I think it's a 13 set or 10, I can't remember, and this is what it's looking like. Wow. It's so fine. I like the color is popping. This is actually brown. Yeah, I don't know this weird color, but it's fine. I like the fact that it's fine and the brushes are smooth. Yeah, it's so fine. So it's so fine. I think this is a 13 set, and I don't know, I can't remember the amount I bought it, but I think it was very cheap. I think $2 at that time. $1 was about 700 plus, 700 naira plus. I don't know, I think it was above 700 naira, but it was around that range. It was not up to 800 naira per dollar you get. Not now. I think I ordered this May 30th, and I was supposed to get it July 27th. That's like 2 months interval, and guys, I did not receive my package not until like extra 2 weeks for this package to get it. And guys, I'm still loving these brushes, so I had to get a new set of brush. I saw it was cheaper and I decided to get it because here in Nigeria, if you want to get brushes, it's very expensive. But I already have brushes, but I just wanted something to like add up. It's not a bad thing. I saw something cheap. AliExpress is one of the best app. I don't know, but I see amazing things. But you need to be very careful when you are ordering. Very, very careful and observant. So guys, this is what the makeup brushes is looking like. The makeup brush is looking like. It is fluffy. Fluffy. I don't know why this color is not different. I don't know what this people up to. Fluffy. I like the eyeshadow brushes. Yeah, the eyeshadow brushes. But guys, you'll be seeing more of those brushes in my next video, in my next makeup video, period. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. So guys, I'm so excited that this is what it looks like, and for the fact that it comes with this portable drawstring bag, it makes so much sense. So guys, this is what it looks like again, and I am super happy that this is what it looks like. So let's get right into the next package, babies. So guys, we are about to go into the next package. We're about to go into the next package, and I don't like the way people did this thing at all. Serious. So guys, we have the choice, but to cut this out, nobody likes stress. A moment of truth, babies. Are you ready for this one? This one is gang. So this is the second package. So guys, my god, this thing is already scattered though. Hey, it is already scattered. See, it's already opened. See. Hey god. Oh god, this is what I ordered. This microphone. I've been meaning to get a microphone, a small mic, if that's what it's called, a microphone, a lavalier microphone. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but this is what I ordered. I ordered a set of brushes and then this microphone. But the problem is, I don't know what happened to me when I was ordering this, if I forgot myself or not, because I know I mostly use my iPhone to video, to film, but I don't know who sent me a message to go and buy microphone for Android phone. So that means if I want to use this microphone, I will have to use my Android phone. And guys, I don't know who sent me message. I don't know who sent me message, because it's so weird now, because now I now figured that if I want to do a talk video and I want to use this microphone, that means I will have to use my Android phone, and it will not give the exact quality this iPhone is giving. So let's get right into this unboxing. Oh, okay. I don't understand. What is this? It came with a small pouch. That's nice. A small bag. It's so fine. Okay, guys, this is not supposed to be the opening, but I don't have any choice. Babies, this is what this microphone is looking like. It is looking fine, but we have to test it. But I cannot test it with this iPhone, so let's open it. Wow, I like this lock. It's so fine, so at least it can make you like pack your stuff. And this is how long it is. It is very long. Let's say it is very long, and this is what the mic is looking like, babies. It has a clip which you can use to hold your phone. Man, not go spoil this thing, no. It has a clip that you can use, but I don't think it's movable. I would try to do it like off camera to see if I can clip it to my dress. But I will do a video for you guys to show you guys the sound, if it works, if it sounds different from what I am doing right now, because I'm not using a microphone, and it's paining me right now. It's hurting my feelings knowing the fact that I can only use this thing for Android phone. So guys, this is me trying to test the microphone I just unboxed, and this is me talking without the microphone, and I just want to show you guys the before and the after. So this is the before and this is the after, guys. So I don't know if there's any difference, but this is me using the microphone right now, so I don't really know if there's any difference, but I hope there is, and I hope it sounds amazing. So this is the microphone I just received from AliExpress, or I just unboxed from AliExpress, and this is what it's sounding like. So if you like the way it sounds, so you can actually order this from AliExpress at a very cheap and affordable price. So this is it, guys, period. Okay guys, we are done with the unboxing, and these are the packages we just unboxed. And guys, I'll definitely try it out and then give you guys a feedback on if the products are okay. It is a treat to open up these packages from AliExpress, and I am so grateful to you all for sticking with me to unbox these packages. So guys, I'll be using these items for because I literally bought this for my daily filming or for my videoing, for my videos, and I will definitely give you guys updates on them in my future videos. So if you want to get an update for this product, please stick back with me, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And guys, before I go, please comment down below if you want to see more of this video, and if you have any item you are excited to see on my channel. So guys, a quick tip or a quick one, I'll be doing a do's and don'ts about ordering on AliExpress with no mistakes. So stick back, relax and enjoy, and you want to get updated when this video comes up. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed, bye.